Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please like, share and subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, you're most definitely welcome. So Lunga Shabalala was arrested on accusation of assaulting an Uber driver. I'm not so sure if it's an Uber or it's Bolt, because people use these words interchangeably. It might be a Bolt and people say Uber. And then we know Uber, they've got the strict rules that they have. And both drivers are at liberal of doing anything, because Uber, they normally fear for their jobs. But this time around, it's saying Uber driver. So the charges against Shabalala include assault with intent to cause grievous bodily harm following a scuffle with the driver at a fuel station in Sentin. So the altercation erupted after the driver purportedly slapped Shabalala's girlfriend during a ride. I don't know what she did to be slapped with a driver. I think she said something mean or so, I don't know. And then Shabalala allegedly hurled a bottle at the driver, prompting the driver to strike back with a wheel spanner. So this was something that was big. Taking a wheel spanner then. Subsequently, both individuals were arrested and brought before the court on September 23, where they were instructed to appear again at a later stage. I don't know what you guys think, but this guy looks very sweet. I don't know why he got involved. Of course, everyone else, if your woman also is being harassed or something like that, you can act out of character. Probably that's what happened here. I don't know. Let me know, guys, what you think about this story with the Uber driver, Lunga, and the Uber driver.